In this video I'm going to show you how to create the base shape for our Fallout 4 high poly vanilla conversion for Fusion Girl. So I'm going to drag and drop in our high poly mesh that we have edited in the last videos. We have all of the bone weights here, we have completed all of the segments. And what we're gonna do now, because we do have it in high poly, but if you look very closely, we don't use many of the polygons because they still look blocky and they're in pairs of 8 faces here. So we're gonna smooth this whole outfit to actually make use of the extra polygons we created. So yeah, I'm just gonna push up this size value and let's set the strength value to something about 0.3. Doesn't matter too bad. And what we actually might want to do before is masking parts of the outfit that we do not want to smooth, like this belt here. Okay, so this is masked, so this will not be affected by the smoothing tool now, and we're gonna smooth the rest of the outfit. Okay. Alright, and now for the jeans. Okay, looking good. Yeah, I could have activated this X mirror tool, but nevertheless, result looks fine. You should double check all of the parts of the mesh now. If there are maybe some parts that were ripped open, especially this often happens around this pulled up sleeve area, or sometimes around the foot or boots area, or sometimes also in the crotch area. Sometimes the vertices are ripped apart because of the smoothing. If that happens, you basically have to undo the smoothing and also mask the parts or manually fix them with this moving tool here. So after the smoothing is done, I'm gonna add a reference. You can load references with load reference, but I'm gonna load my personal reference by adding a project. So clicking Control Shift and O. So this here is the official Fusion Girl OSP, and this is the one I use, which contains all kinds of references. I'm gonna use Vanilla 2 Monoboob here, because behind this you can see that this outfit has some kind of monoboobish form. So yeah, this is visible now, and what we're going to do now is fix all of the clipping. So for that we're going to use the inflate tool here. Okay. Okay. We're gonna choose these two outfits and inflate all of the areas where the skin is clipping through. Alright, it doesn't have to be perfect, so if there are like nano clipping areas, don't mind. So next up we're gonna hit Control Shift and C to conform all of those shapes to this reference, and to conform the sliders of all of these shapes to the reference sliders. These standard values will be good. So, and now after conforming we can actually morph both of those meshes with this slider. So we're gonna pull this one to 100% and set base shape. Afterwards we can delete the slider and delete this reference. We won't need them anymore. So, and as you can see, you don't want to keep our base shape looking like that, because honestly that doesn't look really realistic. So we're gonna do some further edits, especially around this area, because yeah, seriously. So again we're gonna choose both parts here, and because yeah, the waist looks a little bit too slim for me, I'm gonna inflate it a bit. Now I'm gonna activate this Mirror X-axis tool. Forgot about this all the time. Okay, looking quite good actually. You can open this brush settings by clicking here or just hitting the spacebar. Okay. Okay, that looks, waist looks much better now. Breast area looks okay. We could further inflate this here. This here. Smooth it down a bit. Okay. Alright. This looks very weird. Okay. Okay. So I don't know why this happened, but we're gonna use smoothing tool, set the strength up, and try to move to smooth everything out. What is wrong with this? Okay, now with a brutal smoothing. Okay, that's weird. Okay, then we're gonna do it manually with this inflate tool here. Weird. Okay, never mind. And we also want to edit this because this still looks a little bit weird, so we're gonna deflate this area. That's fine. Okay. And I think the rest looks just fine, I guess. Yep. Maybe we could edit the shoes a bit. They are a little flat. Better. Alright.